They've been draining, I don't know, 2 or 3 months, and it just got dry enough I can walk in here. It's still kind of mushy underneath, but look at this. Those are 10 inches deep, those cracks. So I don't know if I can even get down there to the original layer. This lake was built at the turn of the century for city water, and they later changed to another lake. I found some articles where it said people swam here, and especially off the little jut that they build into the pond, or to the lake, excuse me. And there it is right there. It comes out into the lake and goes back around. And I'm gonna be on low conductor, accepting about every target. I'm just going to noise cancel and ground balance. You see I've got a pretty tight pattern as far as my upper and lower ferrous, and I've got 1 through 9 notched out. So if I start finding a bunch of jewelry, I might open that up, but right now I'm just going to leave it like that. Low conductor. Let's see, what was the recovery speed? Recovery speed 4 or 5. You can't hardly tell the difference between 4 and 5. That's kind of in the mid-range. That's about it. So once I ground balance and noise cancel, then I'll get going, and you'll be privy to the very first find. All right, so here's my first eyeball find right here. I mean, it's no account, but anyway, look like they that's normally how they wrap them when they sell them. They put a tag on here and then wrap this on here with 2 wire ties. So this is probably brand new. Probably first time using this, and figured out real quick that it's not as easy as it looks. Anyway, leave that for somebody else. These crevasses are a lot deeper than I thought. Right there, 12-14 inches. Woo! Well, I got my first target. I don't know how I'm going to dig this stuff without things falling down a foot. 74 right here. I don't know. Oh, it's muddy. Oh! 74. Right in the... What is a 74? Oh, my first target. Man, it is slimy. Oh, it stinks too, guys. I think I nudged it out. What? That was stupid. Duh. Come on, be a gold ring or something here. This is nasty. Detune time. It's right down there. I think it's a can. Oh, yeah, it's part of a can. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, I'm getting a 16, 14. Right here. Crazy. I need to go get my second glove on. Yeah, screw it. Looks like, no way it's iron. There's some red in there. What is going on? Did it fall out? I bet it's sufficient weight. It's part of a lure. Imagine that. Crap. Alright, here's a 12. Probably some foil. That's tough. That is tough. It's just coming off in big hunks. This is old school here. Oh crap. Okay. Must be a deep ring. Ooh. Ooh. Foiled. You suppose they notice it if I put it down there? It's all going to be bulldozed out. They're cleaning it out. I should have made that clear. They're going to clean it out, deepen it, fix the banks, put some more amenities around it, whatever that word means, and then, you know, call it good for another 100 years. I actually feel like I'm detecting the top of the Grand Canyon. Guys, I got so much ground to cover. I'm not even gridding this off. I'm just kind of roaming around like a drunk idiot, which I am. 17, 19. All right, I'm getting a 30 with a nice trace. I got to work at it a little bit. There it is, right there. It's a little large, but no one's really ever told me that before. Get out of there. Okay. Let's see. I mean, 30s could be a ring. What is that? It's one of those, oh, it's one of those teardrop earrings. You know what I'm talking about. Maybe I got a ring in there too. Let's see. Yes, I got a ring and an earring. I mean, I might as well pack it up. All right, I ventured out even deeper, and this is crazy. But anyway, I'm getting another 30 with a nice trace. 29.30, and it's right down in this crevasse. Oh, right here. Look, there it is. Or maybe it is. Well, that's lead, mostly lead. Let's see if that's what it was. More than likely it was. No? Now we're getting more of a high nickel hit. I got people watching me now. I got a audience. Oh, here we go. I got the hardware to it. Yep. That was like two swivels on top of each other. God, that smells bad. You see how... Now, I'd say chances are it's trash. But we're going to find out. Oh. Well, at least I can't gripe that it's not easy digging. It's just stinky digging. Oh, oh, I see a ring. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's got to be white gold if it's gold. Look at that. Here we go. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, oh man. I can't believe it. It's true. People swam here. Well, I don't think it's that old. Is that? The outside looks old. I can't tell what metal it is. It looks like tungsten. The inside is really smooth. Zero scratches on it. Leads me to believe it's tungsten. It says it says something in there. Faith. It says, I don't know what that says, but it says faith. Awesome. Nice ring.